Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am going to plant an Olla planter, which is something that's completely new to me. I picked this up down in Augusta, Georgia at the Garden City Festival at Sacred Heart, and it's from one of my favorite potters. I don't have their name on here, that's terrible. I've been buying stuff from them for years. In fact, you see these cute little frogs? I have quite a few of them that hold up different planters because I always buy stuff whenever I see them. And when I saw this planted, I was just so intrigued that I decided I had to have one. So this is actually a pretty cool thing. You fill the inside with water and that's what keeps it wet. And then you attach plants and wrap the plants up in sphagnum moss and then just run fishing line around it. So I've never done it before, but I am gonna get it planted right now so that all of you can see as well. So what kind of plants are recommended? Well, what they had growing were some sedums, like this ground cover sedum, that's sedum album. They had some ajuga, which I have right here. And they also had some saxifrage, which I have growing right here that's flowering. So I think I'm just gonna mimic what they did and dig some of each of these up. The recommendation is to bare root them. So I've got a bucket of water and then I'll get started putting them on the Olla planter. Okay, so the instructions said to run the pot under a faucet to get the inside and outside wet and keep it empty for the planting process. And now I'm going to start putting the plants onto here and putting the sphagnum moss on and then wrapping the fishing line. Okay, the final step is just to fill it with water. I'm gonna clean off my space here, and that's it. I'm really excited to see how it grows out. This was definitely a fun project, and I can't wait to share updates with you during my regular weekly garden tours. Hopefully you'll be inspired to plant an Olla pot as well.